Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to deal with the classification of plants based on the form or habit of their stems. Okay, and broadly speaking, on the basis of habit, the plants have been divided into three categories. First of all, herbs, then shrubs, and trees. So let's move on with herbs. Those plants which possess green stems, they are known as herbs, and the herbs are further divided into annuals, biennials, and perennials. Okay, annuals are those plants which complete their life cycle in a single growing season or year. An example is triticum aestivum, which is known as wheat. Okay, commonly known as wheat. It is an annual plant. It completes its life cycle in a single growing season. The second one is biennial. Those herbs which complete their life cycle in two growing seasons or 2 years, and the best example is Raphanus. Raphanus means radish. Okay, it completes its life cycle in two growing seasons. In the first season, it completes its vegetative growth, and in the second season, it goes for reproduction. Okay, it undergoes flowering, and then finally you have perennials. Those evergreen herbs which live for many years, they are known as perennials, and the best example is Cynodon dactylon, which is also known as Bermuda grass or brook grass, and this grass is usually grown in our lawns. Now you have second category of plants. This is known as shrubs. The shrubs are those plants which possess woody stems, and their branching is profuse. They branch profusely. They have a large number of branches, and their branching starts from the very base. Okay, and the stem of these shrubs, it never grows in thickness beyond a certain limit, although there is some increase in thickness of their stems, but this increase is not beyond a certain limit. Okay, that means their stems cannot grow beyond a certain limit. And the examples are, you are having ocimum. Okay, you are having ocimum here. This is ocimum, and you are having lantana. Okay, this is the lantana. These two species of plants, they are shrubs. Okay, and one more important feature that you will remember is this lantana is an invasive species. It does not belong to here. Okay, it has been introduced from somewhere else, and it has established in our habitats, and it has resulted in its invasion. And finally, you have trees. Those plants which have woody stems and branch meagerly, or you can say sparingly. Okay, they do not have that much profuse branching as shrubs have. Uh, there are different types of trees on the basis of their bud growth. Depending upon their bud growth of plants, you have different types of trees. First one is codex. Here, only the terminal bud functions and lateral buds remain dormant. Example is palms. In case of palms, you can see you are having a terminal bud, and that terminal bud continuously grows, while as the lateral buds, they remain dormant. As such, there is no formation of lateral branches. Okay, you have to remember that the codex type of growth is when you have only a terminal bud that is functioning, and the lateral buds, they are dormant. The second one is excurrent. Here in excurrent type, the terminal bud is dominant over the lateral buds, and the branches grow in an acropetal order. Okay, here you can see the terminal bud is dominant, it grows continuously. Okay, and the lateral branches, they also grow, but that not that much as the terminal bud is growing, and as such the branches, they grow in an acropetal order. Acropetal order means the mature branches are at the base, and the younger are at the apex. Okay, and it results in the form of a cone shaped structure. I will repeat, excurrent type of habit is that type of habit in which the terminal bud is dominant over the lateral buds, and the branches grow in an acropetal order. Example is pines. Here you can see these are the pines. The terminal bud is growing continuously, it is dominant over the lateral branches. Okay, lateral branches also do grow, but not that much as the terminal bud, and as such there is acropetal order in the branches. Now you have deliquescent type. In this type of habit, the terminal bud is lost after some time, and only the lateral buds they grow. And the example is mango and some other trees. For example, in our Kashmir we have walnut tree that also shows deliquescent type of habit. The terminal bud is lost, and only the lateral buds they function, and hence you can see a large number of branches. Okay, and you have deliquescent type of habit. Deliquescent means diffused. I think this is all for today, and in the next class we will discuss some more important details about the morphology of stems. Till then, God bless you and thank you all.